What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to be taking a look at where the spare tire, the lug nut wrench, and the jack you'll need to change a flat tire are located in a Mazda 3. This is a 2021 Mazda 3 here, but it will be the same on a few different years. So all those items we just talked about are going to be located in the trunk. So if we pop our trunk and then go in here, and there's this deck lid that we have right here. There's a little loop you can get your finger around like that. Go ahead and pull that up. Now we can see our spare tire here. In order to get that out, there's this wing nut on there that you'll loosen counterclockwise or to the left. Once you spin that off, you can pull your tire out. We have our lug nut wrench here, and then we have this piece that goes on the jack right there. And the jack is located under this compartment over here. Kind of get your hand on it and pull that little plastic piece off. Now we see our jack here. In order to get that out, there's this wing nut right here that will loosen up like that. And once you get that loosened up, you'll be able to pull the jack out. And the last thing I want to point out is this piece that goes on the jack. So this is going to fit on the jack like this loop piece. And then you're going to put this on here like this, and that's what you use to crank it. So pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.